Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of incredible new Blender add-ons that will take your 3D projects to the next level. So, let's get started. First on the list is Lazy Interiors add-on by the folks at Lazy 3D. It's currently 50% off. This add-on allows you to build interior scenes faster with a clean, browser-style workflow. Add assets by category, import ready-made scenes by category, and use quick snap tools for fast, precise object placement, plus a materials library for instant look development. It includes 380 high-quality interior assets, 34 ready-to-use interior scenes, and 60-plus materials. This is a large library, which totals 45 gigabytes. Next one is also from the same creator, known as Lazy Composer 2. It is an all-in-one, reusable post-processing stack for the Blender Compositor. You get easy sliders for core adjustments like exposure, contrast, white balance, and color balance, but also film style effects. We're talking grain, lens distortion, chromatic aberration, glow, bloom-like highlights, and more. It also ships with a big set of ready-made presets, so you can quickly try different looks before fine-tuning. Despite the heavy-looking stack, it's built to stay efficient. Even with most effects enabled, the added render time per frame is surprisingly reasonable on a decent GPU. And there's a free version too, so you can test the core workflow before going all in. Next, we have Dynamic Flow by Blender Procedural. It is a really cool geometry nodes-based tool for water movement. Instead of running full fluid simulations, this focuses on real-time flowing water effects, perfect for rivers, streams, and shorelines. The system makes water appear to flow naturally along terrain edges and even adds foam where water meets land. Because it's node-based and not using heavy physics, you don't have to bake caches. The water reacts instantly, and if you change the terrain, the flow updates right away. It works in both major render engines and is lightweight enough to keep things interactive, which makes it great for fast environment setups. Here is also an 80-plus Ultimate Blender Add-ons bundle. This exclusive collection brings together all the powerful add-ons and geometry nodes setups the creator has meticulously developed to empower your creative journey. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Blender artist, this bundle provides everything you need to create stunning, dynamic 3D models with ease. Next up, we have a massive bundle of 60-plus high-quality 3D character models. Imagine creating just one high-quality 3D character. For sculpting beginners, that's not easy, let alone creating 60 or more. And if you are someone who wants to make cartoon animations and needs a lot of characters worth tens of thousands of dollars at a huge discount, then this bundle is for you. You get 60-plus professional individual 3D character models, plus every future model they create. Every character features advanced facial and body rigging with 20, 40-plus pre-made poses, ready to use immediately for games, animations, marketing materials, and UI/UX design. No animation skills required, just drag, drop, and customize. The bundle also includes multiple file formats for every workflow. Advanced rigging features include AR-Kit blend shapes, lip-sync-ready expressions, and comprehensive facial controls. Step-by-step video tutorials are also included. So if you want to level up your animation game or save time and money, then this is something you should take a look at. I will have the links in the description below. The next one is my favorite, known as the Snapshot add-on. This add-on is a game changer for anyone who loves to experiment. With one click, you create a snapshot, basically a save point for your scene. Snapshots let you instantly roll back individual objects, specific properties, or even recover deleted items. It's like having a superpowered undo button for everything. And for major changes, you can revert your entire file to an older snapshot. No more fear of messing up your progress. Seriously, snapshots completely free you up to try new ideas. It's a must-have for fearless creation in Blender. If you're a Blender user who constantly saves, you need this. Link in the description, go check it out. Next, we have Fast Snow. You can convert Blender scenes into winter with just one click. No need to make a winter version of textures for your objects. Fast Snow searches through all your materials to insert a snow node while neatly reorganizing the surrounding nodes. And it also removes them all cleanly when you click Remove Snow. It's especially useful when you need to add snow to a massive number of objects or complicated geometry node-based scenes with no apparent shader information. Further, we have Text Pro. Are you tired of messy topology, disconnected letters, and complex node setups? Text Pro is the all-in-one solution designed for motion graphics artists, logo designers, and game developers who demand speed and precision. Kickstart your project with an extensive library of professional presets. With a single click, apply complex combinations of shape, style, and animation. Manage multi-line text, alignment, and spacing with the intuitive control panel. Import any SVG or vector file and transform it into a 3D masterpiece instantly. Don't settle for blocky text. Use advanced bevel profiles to catch the light. Whether you need sharp, chiseled edges or soft organic curves, give your text that premium, finished look with a single slider. Forget the shader editor. Text Pro comes with a suite of smart materials that automatically adapt to your text geometry. From brushed metals and glowing neon to weathered grunge, give your text the texture it deserves instantly. Forget complex keyframing. Use Text Pro's procedural animation system to make your text pop, slide, glitch, or bounce. Animate by character, word, or line with simple sliders to create broadcast-quality motion graphics in minutes. Next, we have the realistic coconut tree generator. It is a procedural geometry nodes generator for Blender that enables artists to generate fully customizable coconut trees. Easily create realistic coconut trees with full control over trunk shape, leaf density, coconut age, bunch variation, and overall tree structure using an optimized geometry node setup. It is perfect for tropical islands, beaches, villages, resorts, and nature scenes, helping you populate large environments quickly while maintaining high visual quality and performance. For those who want to make space scenes, we have Nebula Pro. It is a professional Blender add-on for managing high-quality EXR-based nebula and space environments. You get 18 unique nebula EXRs, plus a basic star field and binary black holes, all custom-made from scratch and up to 8K resolution, with no reused or stock imagery. Along with that, mapping and color grading settings are built right into the panel. Now let's talk lighting with Studio Verse 1.0. This is basically a full lighting and shot control hub inside Blender. Think of it like building a mini virtual studio without manually setting everything up from scratch. You get tools for placing studio-style lights, such as softboxes and other production-style rigs quickly and precisely. Advanced light control features make it easier to isolate lighting to specific objects, which is super useful for stylized shots and product renders. But it doesn't stop there. There's also a built-in shot and camera management system. You can set up multiple cameras, each with its own lighting setup, and even realistic camera parameters like aperture and ISO. When everything is ready, you can queue up and batch render all your shots. On top of that, it includes post-style effects like grain, vignettes, and improved glare and glow that adapt to the scene. So you get more cinematic-looking renders without spending forever in compositing. Loopworks is aimed at people who care a lot about clean topology. It expands Blender's edge loop tools with extra precision-focused operations. The idea is to maintain smooth curvature and consistent spacing when creating or sliding loops. In practice, this helps keep surfaces looking cleaner and more controlled, especially on curved or hard surface forms. Another modeling-related tool is Surface Peel. This one generates peeling paint and similar wear effects as real geometry rather than just textures. That means the damage holds up in close-ups and works nicely on curved surfaces. You can paint where the peeling happens using vertex groups and even design custom crack patterns. There are controls for thickness, bubbling, and layered wear, letting you create convincing chipped paint or aging surfaces with a lot of artistic control. It turns what's usually a texturing trick into actual 3D detail. Now let's talk about Blender Kit. If you are looking for complete realistic scenes or assets that you want to use for your VFX shots or simulations, then take a look at Blender Kit, which gives you access to over 116,000 Blender assets, a collection of high-quality 3D models, materials, textures, and brushes from creators worldwide. You can choose between the free and full plans, both packed with valuable resources. This add-on supports customizable tags and advanced filters, helping you quickly find what you need. Finally, there's Topiary Generator, which is just pure fun. It uses geometry nodes to grow decorative foliage over any base mesh. You can use simple shapes or complex forms as guides, and the tool covers them in leaves and branches to create stylized plant sculptures. Everything is procedural and non-destructive. And after installing all the add-ons, your end panel will become cluttered. To manage that, we have an amazing add-on called End Panel Manager. It helps organize the end panel by letting you create custom tabs, assign add-ons to them, and collapse or hide sections you don't use frequently. This makes it faster to locate the tools you need without scrolling through a long list. So yeah, lots of exciting new and useful tools right now. Be sure to check out the links in the description if any of these caught your interest, and let me know in the comments which one stood out to you the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more Blender content. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.